it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is actually part 2 of the facelift. So I'm going to do my makeup. I've already just added my under eye concealer. I want to do a really glowy, pretty holiday look. So I'm going to go in first with my Bobbi Brown moisturizer. I don't want to get up on my under eyes because I just did that. And I'm going to put it up here, but obviously I'm not going to put it around where that tape is. I usually use a moisturizer before I apply my makeup. That's my primer, if you will. And again, this one is just the vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown. I'm not going to focus stuff. It just takes a little bit longer for me to do, but I'll leave everything below. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. So I'm just going to put some of that right here. I'm going to put some of that right here. I'm going to put some of that right here. A little bit on my chin. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender. I'm just going to go ahead, and it's a damp beauty blender. Always want to use it damp. Now I'm going to go and use my Stila foundation. This is the Hide and Chic from Stila. You got to shake it up pretty good. It's really a nice foundation. It's light. I would say it's more like a serum kind of foundation in my opinion. I like to use a sponge to apply my makeup. I just think it works best. Now, one thing about this tape stuff here that I have on that you have to remember is this. You are not going to conceal all of it, okay? That's why your hair has to be long enough pretty much to cover it. You know, you can go around it and put some on it, but I mean, you're not, if you lifted my hair up, you're going to see it, okay? I need to get my magnified mirror so I can make sure that I am all blended in well. But look at already how nice and glowy my face looks. So I'm not going to do a lot of powder today. I'm going to do a little bit, but I'm not going to go crazy because I want to keep that glow. Ooh, I just noticed the camera got closer, but that's okay. That's okay, because we're going to be doing some eye look in a little bit, so it's okay that you're closer. But isn't that pretty? It's such a pretty finish. I'm going to take this is my Chanel bronzer, this is my BK Beauty brush, and I'm just going to go in here and bronze up my face. I am not into doing a bunch of contour. I used to do a lot of that, but I feel like even in person, it just looks really heavy. It just looks really heavy. Even in the evening, I just feel like you have to be careful with it. And I would rather look really glowy and put together than powdery and, you know, contouring my nose and all of that. You know what I mean? What's really bringing my face to life, I'm going to put a little bit under here as well. And honestly, I don't even have to have any blush on. It looks really pretty, but I'm just going to do a little bit. So for that, you know what I'm going to use. You know the drill. I'm going to go in with my Daniel Sandlin. I am going to use my BK Beauty brush. I'm going to use this BK Beauty brush. This is one of her new ones. This is the number 106 brush. And I'm just going to go in here. Lisa sent me this brush. She sent me this brush and she sent me, what's the other brush she sent me? She sent me another brush and it's a foundation brush. So this one, yes. So she sent me this brush. So these two brushes she sent me. All the other brushes I paid for myself. So I'm just going to put this right up here. You guys know how much I love her brushes. Right up there. I just want it to be really soft and really glowy. Look how pretty my skin looks. I want to go back and I want to use a little bit more of this Hollywood Flawless filter. I'm just going to use just a tiny bit right up here. And I'm going to go and I'm going to take my Beauty Blender again, and I'm just going to really lightly tap that up there. But look at how beautiful my skin looks. I'm going to use a couple palettes here. I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood. I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's palette from last Christmas. And I think I'm going to use the one from this year as well. I'm going to use colors from both. I really want to do more of a purpley look today, but I might use a little bit of this black that's in here. So I encourage you to do the same. If you have these palettes, you have something similar, I will show you the colors as I'm doing this. So if you want to look through your palette, see if you have similar palettes, because one of these palettes is not available any longer. Color right there. I'm probably going to use all three, but I'm going to use that one first. I'm going to go right here. This is going to be weird because I'm still going to probably raise my color up a little bit, but my eyes are kind of a different shape with this tape on. It's kind of like, what is that concealer? Shape tape? This is definitely Shape Tape. This definitely changes the shape of your face. So I'm putting it right on my mobile eyelid, and I want to get it right here too. So you see how I'm angling this brush? I don't want to go out, but I just want to get color on the end there too, and I'm going to bring it up. This is going to be an evening look, as you can see. But I'll tell you one thing, it's much easier to do your eyes when they're stretched out. So now I'm going to take my blending brush, my BK blending brush, crease blender, and I'm just going to blend that. Wanted to do something a little different. I mean, you could wear this if you were wearing silver, you could wear this if you're wearing black. I guess you could probably wear it if you're wearing gold. Look how pretty that is. I want to take my Makeup Forever finishing powder. I'm going to dip that brush in there. I just want to go over the edges a little bit just to soften a little bit more. I'm going to go on the edge, and I want to use a darker color. I want to darken this up a little bit, so I'm going to use this black color here. This is just going to kick it up a notch for evening. So I just want to keep it right there on the end. Then I want to take that same blending brush and I want to blend that out. And do the same thing on this eye. Just want to keep it on the end. This is my BK Beauty brush too, 205. So it's got like a little bit of an angle, and it just makes doing this so much easier. I'm going to go in and use this pink color right there. And I'm going to try to use my fingers. Hopefully I'm not making a big mess. I don't know if that's going to be enough. I feel like I need to kick it up a notch. I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus. And I just want to spray this on my brush. And now I'm going to go in with that same color. I feel like I'm going to get a better color payoff with that. That's better. I don't want to go all the way over to the end. I just want to keep it right there. Do the same thing on this eye. I'm going to go back with that black. And I am going to use a smudge brush. I'm going to go right on that lower lash line. I'm gonna use my Pillow Talk because I just feel like Pillow Talk is, look at how little that pencil is. And I'm still using it. So I'm gonna go right here. This is Kidman's Kiss. I'm gonna go in with this. I think this is gonna work. This is the Fenty Beauty and this is the Gloss Bomb in Fussy. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, my brows, my hair, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is my final look. Let me get closer so you can see. I did not powder. I'm just gonna do a little powder. I have not used this powder yet. We're gonna try it. This is the by Terry Hyaluronic Powder. And the reason I bought this is because of under my eyes. And now that I bought it, I'm hearing that it may not work on my eyes. Like people had told me. I heard some makeup artists say, don't use it under your eyes. It changes your concealer color. So I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to put a little bit. I don't want to put much on because I want to keep that glow. This is my final look. Really simple, real pretty for evening. I tell you, I like this face tape stuff. I don't know if you can notice different now. The only thing I don't like is I can see a line here that I didn't know I had. So I feel like it accentuated that a little bit. And even if I press it up, I just feel like because it's stretching out, it's doing that. That's the only negative thing. But see, you have to wear your hair a certain way so you don't see the tape, because the tape is right there. You see that? That's where it's at. So if it's windy, I'm in trouble. But usually I wear my hair like this anyway, so you're not going to see it. And this eye look was really, really easy to create. I'm sure you have colors that are similar to this in your collection. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this. I'm going to do, I think I might do 1 or 2 more holiday eye looks. I just want to do a different color. You know, I love my earthy tones, but I just want to mix it up and do some purples today. I think it's really, really pretty. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, share my videos. Please always share my videos. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter. You can pin it on Pinterest. You can share it anywhere. It just helps my channel and I really, really, really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. Just click that button below, hit that subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. Also, make sure you click that notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you will be notified. I don't want you to miss out on any content. This is a fun community. We help each other in the comments, and I share makeup tips, skincare, some fashion. I kind of mix it up here on my channel, so I would love you to join me. That is it. I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.